In today's video, I will walk you through how to sell stock on Robinhood. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open the Robinhood app or visit the Robinhood website and log into your account. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can view your investments, portfolio performance, and overall account activity. Before continuing, make sure your account is fully set up so you can access all trading features without any limitations. Once you are inside, go to your portfolio section. This is where all the stocks and assets you currently own are displayed. You will see each holding listed along with its value and performance, which helps you quickly understand how your investments are doing in one place. Take a moment here to locate the specific stock you want to sell. From your portfolio, click or tap on the stock you want to sell. This will open the dedicated page for that investment. On this screen, you will see details like the current price and your position information. Double-check that you have selected the correct stock before moving forward to avoid any mistakes. Next, select the Sell option instead of Buy. This switches the action from purchasing shares to selling them. It allows you to either reduce part of your position or fully exit the stock depending on your decision. After selecting Sell, enter how many shares you want to sell or specify the amount you want to convert into cash. This gives you full control over whether you are doing a partial sale or selling everything you own in that stock. Before confirming, carefully review all the order details shown on the screen. This includes the number of shares, the price, and the estimated proceeds you will receive. Taking a moment here helps ensure everything is accurate before the trade is processed, especially if you are selling multiple positions, so you avoid unnecessary mistakes. When everything looks correct, confirm the order by clicking Sell or Submit Order. Robinhood will then process your request based on current market conditions. Once the sale is complete, the cash will be added to your account balance or buying power, where you can reinvest it or keep it available for future trades. Always make sure to review your investment strategy after selling, so you can decide your next move with confidence. And that is how to sell stock on Robinhood, step by step.